In this video, you will see how to change cell color in Excel. To change cell color in Excel, click on the cell to select the cell, then right click and go to the Format Cells option. You can also use the shortcut key Command 1 or Control 1 to see this Format Cell window. Now click on the Fill tab and under the background color here you can select the color for the cell. Click on the drop down and many colors will appear. Select any color of your choice, for example yellow color, and then click on OK. You can also select the cell and change the color from here. Here also there is a fill color option to fill the color inside the cell. If you want to color multiple cells at once, then you can select the cells and change the color by clicking on the fill color option. After changing the color, after filling the color inside the cells, if you want to remove this color, then just select the colored and non-colored cells like this. Go to the fill color option and select the option no fill. No fill means all the colors will be removed. So after clicking this option, as you can see, everything is gone. And in this way, you can change cell color in Excel and remove cell color as well. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to Microsoft Excel. See you again in the next one.